End of the season. Well, it's the end of the sailing season. It's October 11th, and I'm about to bring the boat back to its winter storage area, which is about 7 or 8 miles from here. So it'll be a solo trip over, and I'm bringing my friend Igor with. I'll introduce you to Igor as we go along. It's been a great summer. We had a successful racing season, good camaraderie, and even a few beers and cocktails along the way. So I'll report in as I take the boat back to its winter home. Well, here's Igor. Igor's an autopilot. And when you're sailing alone, it's always nice to have a helping hand. Igor is a flux gate compass and a hydraulic steering system plugged in. So you just type in the heading you want and Igor will take you there. It's pretty easy. So I'm sailing out of, I'm not sure if this is going to pick up. I'm holding it pretty close and I can't see where it's focused on, but these are sort of melancholy times, the end of the season, and you just consider yourself so lucky to have survived another year and start working towards class reunion year 51. So it's just a very meditative, contemplative, reflective, enjoyable time to be out on the water by yourself. Not many people out here this time of year, but I guess we're alive and we should all be happy for that fact. A lot of our classmates didn't make it. And if you have a couple $1 million and upwards, you can have one of these homes. It's right here on the water. They're probably like 5 million, 7 million, something like that. Certainly beyond the needs of a lonely college professor, but interesting to look at nonetheless. Another boat that's heading for its winter moorings. This is called the Yawl because it's got 2 masts. Pretty boat. Fast by racing standards, but a beautiful boat nonetheless. This is one of the navigation buoys on the bay. It's called the Ohio Ledge Bell. The reason why is there's a ledge under here. Somebody called it Ohio Ledge, so that's what it's called. And you can hear the gong going. Clappers striking the bell. can see that there's 3 fishing boats just anchored right off the lighthouse here. They're probably fishing for blackfish, or the Native American name is tautog. The tautog eat barnacles on the rocks, and at night sometimes when you're anchored in a mooring field you can hear the fish actually chewing on the barnacles on the bottom and on pilings. So this is called Conimicut Light. It's not a manned lighthouse, but it is working and it's automated. And if I go cool, catch you on video. Rocky here, hang on. So I just wanted to point out that our friend Igor has performed flawlessly, hasn't complained a bit. So Igor, maybe you'll get a soda, or if you're really good, maybe a beer. There's the red buoy. You see the cormorants sitting on the top? Well, here in the distance, about 3 or 4 miles up, is the city of Providence, and we're getting very close now to where I have to hand steer into the harbor because it's a little narrow and tricky. And I don't trust Igor, although Igor is great on the open water. So, Igor, we're going to say goodbye to you. Say goodbye to everyone, and hope to see you again next season, Igor. Do svidaniya. Well, almost there. Coming into this very narrow gut, and it's a little tricky, but we got high tide, so it shouldn't be too bad. You can see the markers here. Odd numbers on the port or the left, even numbers on the right or on starboard. So all used to be summer cottages back in the 30s, thereabouts, 1930, but sort of been gentrified and upgraded, and now they're year-round homes. Water frontage, mucho expensive. Nice protected area up here. Alright, I'm going to have to say goodbye for now. Class of 1960 Memorial High School, go Old Abes!